Have you ever tried sugaring instead of waxing? It's a great alternative for hair removal. I tried it at the Gold Coast Earth and Skin Organic Day Spa. Emily, what is sugaring?
Sugaring's amazing for anyone. We do get a lot of clients who come to us who are quite sensitive, being that the sugar paste is just an all-natural sugar, lemon juice and water. There's no heat involved with it, so it's not going to take away a layer of skin, and a lot less downtime afterwards too.
It also adheres to much shorter hair, so you don't have to grow your hair as long to be sugared, and results in less breakage than wax. So apparently it grows back slower and you don't have to go as often.
Actually directly pulls it out from the hair follicle with sugaring. Sometimes with waxing it can actually snap the hair, so you'll get your regrowth back quicker.
So much better. Now onto the light. Followed up with 20 minutes under the Dermalux light. It feels so amazing. It's like sunbaking, but it heals your skin from deep within the cells. Next up, a spot of retail therapy. Earth and Skin has some of my favourite organic brands, including Vanessa Megan, Mukti and Clemens. And now I'm feeling fresh-faced and